Bird and Kip. Goodbye, Bird. Episode 1. Sad News. The air was getting colder. The days were getting shorter. Kip was counting his acorns.
This should be enough,
Kip said. He looked down at Bird.
I'm really looking forward to winter.
I'm glad,
Said Bird.
You will have lots of fun this winter.
No,
Said Kip.
we will have lots of fun this winter.
Actually,
Said Bird.
I wanted to tell you.
That you love sledding?
Asked Kip.
No, not that.
Said Bird.
That you love ice skating?
Asked Kip.
Not that either.
Said Bird.
Well, what then?
Asked Kip.
I'm flying south for the winter.
Said Bird.
You're flying south for the winter?
Asked Kip.
Yes,
Said Bird.
but don't worry. I'll be back in the spring.
Why are you going?
Asked Kip.
Because
Said Bird.
it's what birds do.
Bird and Kip. Goodbye, Bird. Episode 2. Bird Flies South.
Winter won't be fun without Bird.
Thought Kip.
I'll write a note to her. Dear Bird, please don't go. Sledding won't be fun without you. Ice skating won't be fun either. Your friend, Kip.
I'm sorry, Kip,
Said Bird.
but I have to fly south. It's what birds do.
Kip sang a song to Bird.
Bird, oh bird, I wish that you'd stay. We could play in the snow every day.
I'm sorry, Kip,
Said Bird.
but I have to fly south. It's what birds do.
Bird was getting ready to leave.
I have something for you.
Said Kip.
It's my lucky acorn.
Aww,
Said Bird.
thank you, Kip. It will remind me of you.
I'll see you in the spring.
Said Kip.
Have a great winter.
Said Bird. Bird took off and flew south. Kip waved goodbye. Bird and Kip. Goodbye, Bird. Episode 3. Bird's New Tree. Bird found a tree in the south. She hung up her bag. Then she started to build a nest. Soon a breeze blew through the tree. Bird's bag swung upside down, and Kip's lucky acorn fell out. Bonk,
Ouch!
said Bird.
Kip, please be careful with...
Bird looked up.
Oh, silly me.
She said.
Kip isn't here.
Bird picked up Kip's lucky acorn. She started to feel a little sad. Kip was sad too.
I miss Bird.
He said.
I'm not looking forward to winter anymore.
Suddenly, bonk,
My lucky acorn!
said Kip. He looked up.
Bird! You flew back!
He cried.
I thought birds flew south for the winter.
Other birds do that.
Said Bird.
I would rather stay right here.
With your friend?
Said Kip.
No,
Said Bird.
with my best friend.